System 2000. Problem: finding the right product to achieve accurate, predictable, and easy combination camber toe changes on the rear wheels of most front-wheel drive vehicles. Solution: our unique series of Rhinite rear alignment shims provide far and away the most surface contact, accuracy, and ease of installation of any system on the market. Inspect the rear spindle mounting area for any existing alignment shims. If any shims are present, they must be removed to establish a true base reading. Record initial alignment readings. Note the camber and toe changes desired. Our vehicle application is a 1994 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sierra. Years applicable, 1982 to present. The body type is A. The shim color is burgundy, and the template required is D. The torque specification for the hub and bearing bolts is 45 foot-pounds, 60 Newton-meters. For our example, we will be using the driver's side of the chart, and we will need to adjust our toe positive 0.25 degrees and increase camber 0.50 degrees positive. Select the amount of toe change desired by reading down the toe change column on the left side of the chart. Next, select the amount of camber change, increase or decrease, from camber change listing across the top of the chart. Starting at 0 degree camber listing, move left for camber increase to the 0.50 degree column. Read down the camber change column and across the toe change column to find the reference box where the two columns meet. The words in and out located inside the box determine which direction the toe adjustment will move once the shim is installed. To achieve positive toe adjustment, use the word in. To achieve negative toe adjustment, use the word out. The two sets of numbers next to the words shown inside the reference box are indexing numbers for the shim when locating it on the template. For this example, they would be 97 and 317. Also included with the System 2000 assortment package is a plastic slide chart containing the same information as the indexing chart, but in a condensed format. Using the slide chart is very easy. Again, first determine if you are working on the passenger side or driver side of the vehicle. Secondly, select the amount of toe change desired by pulling the center slide either left for negative toe or right for positive toe until desired change appears in the window, which is shown in degrees, decimal inches, or millimeters. Note, when using Hunter Engineering alignment equipment containing the System 2000 program, simply access the program by pressing the designated key on the keypad. The System 2000 program will instantly display the brand, color, template, and both indexing numbers. Our example required using the driver's side of the chart. Pull the center slide to the right until 0.25 degree positive toe change appears in the toe window. Then move up the positive camber column to 0.50 of a degree. The numbers shown in the reference box are the indexing numbers for locating the shim on the template. Again, for this example, the indexing numbers would be 97 and 317. Note, each shim has two pointers. Each pointer should be indexed to one of the two numbers obtained from the chart. It does not matter which pointer is indexed to which number. Having the System 2000 embossed lettering facing toward you, place the shim over the template, aligning the bottom shim pointer with either indexing number. Then simply rotate the second pointer to the other indexing number. This creates the proper angle for needed correction. Select proper mounting bolt pattern from template and mark tabs on shim which need to be removed. Mark a line on shim at 0 degree position of template. Remove shim from template and continue marking 0 degree line across top and down back side of shim. This is the top position of shim when installed. Using a small side cutter or optional micro shear tab cutting tool, cut approximately 1/4 way up the slots on either side of the tabs that you wish to remove. This will split the membrane. Next, grasp the tabs with a cutter and bend downward to break tabs at relief line, causing them to neatly separate from shim body. When removing the rear hub and bearing from vehicle, an aid to removing stubborn mounting bolts is this bolt removal tool, which can be obtained from your distributor. On many vehicles having ABS brake systems, the rear wheel speed sensor is incorporated internally with the hub and bearing assembly. To prevent setting a false ABS code when removing this style of hub and bearing assembly during shim installation, simply have the ignition switch in the off position when removing the wheel speed sensor connector. Clean all surfaces carefully as not to obstruct the accuracy of the shim. Install the shim with the embossed lettering facing toward you with a previously marked 0-degree line directly at the top, and replace the spindle or hub to its original position. Torque the hub mounting bolts in a star-shaped pattern to manufacturer specifications. Warning: some vehicles may require longer spindle mounting bolts to compensate for shim thickness. Always check installation to be sure at least 1 to 2 bolt threads protrude through the axle flange. Proceed with the rest of the alignment and road test the vehicle.